Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to merge videos in Adobe Express. Adobe Express makes it quite easy to combine multiple videos into a single file, and here is how you can do it. First of all, open up your Adobe Express application on your mobile device. Once you do that, go to the bottom right corner and click on the plus button. Now under Get Started, click on the Quick Actions tab at the top right and click on Merge Videos option. Click on the plus button or on the screen and select Photo Library or take photos or videos and take a photo or a video from your camera. Here I'm just gonna export an existing video clip. Simply go ahead and choose video clips that you want to merge into one. Select multiple video clips and click on Add at the top right. Once you've selected two different videos on the timeline, you can arrange the videos in the desired order. Press and hold the video clip and then place it on your desired location by dragging it around the timeline. You can now select a video and trim, mute, or adjust the screen fit for each video. Use other editing tools as well in order to edit your video clips. And once you are done, click on the download button at the top right corner and select your desired file format, video resolution, and click on download in order to merge the video into one single file. So that is how you merge videos in Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.